Here with Ian Hughes, Aber Town manager. So we just had training. How's it all gone today?
Yeah, it's gone well. Confident of getting Cledan Davis back, who picked up a slight knock on Sunday. Antonio Coppiciero, the chance he'll be back as well. So we're looking to be full strength on Sunday, which is important. We haven't been full strength for for quite a while now, but I think the better players are coming back into form at the right time, and we're getting everyone back fit as well, which is important.
Let's just take our minds back to the start of the season. Did you expect a season like this to be challenging, or was it a hope?
I certainly hope so. I certainly thought we might well do that because of the faith and trust that I have in the players. And I think the players, the togetherness of the players, like we demonstrated on Sunday to come back from being 2-1 down to win the game 3-2, demonstrates that there's a togetherness and a belief in the squad. So I'm not surprised where we are, because I know what we've got in the dressing room. And we've got good players with good attitudes, and that's what hopefully will get us through on Sunday as well.
And then another demonstration, Chris Venables, Jeff Callaway and the team of the year for the Welsh Premier League, and several others nominated.
Yeah, it was great to get two in, man. You know, Chris and I think Jeff were no-brainers really. Stuart Jones was unlucky to miss out. I thought he deserved to be in there, and a couple of others did as well. But it's great to know that other managers are looking at our players, because, you know, maybe 3 or 4 years ago when we were finishing third from bottom, fourth from bottom, maybe they didn't get the accolades they deserved. But now they're putting in consistent performances week in, week out, and it's great that we've got them here.
Now on to Sunday's big game. 600 tickets already been printed off and put around town. Hundreds more expected to be printed off as well. Is it now just come down to the club, watch the games, support the boys?
Yeah, certainly we need their support. We need the fans' support. It's been a long season. They've supported us throughout, and hopefully we can do it. And if we do it for anyone, it'll be the fans, because the fans have been excellent all throughout the season. The atmosphere is usually better on a Friday night, but we need to create that Friday night atmosphere now on Sunday, and make sure that there's plenty of atmosphere here. We create a hostile environment, because our players do well when they're supported. And it's not only a game for the club, it's a game for the town as well, you know, and for the community. This is a hotbed of football. You know, there's many good footballers that have come from this region in the past and will come from here again. You know, we've got a strong academy, and it's a game for everyone, I suppose. And if we can win the game and get through to Europe, it would be an outstanding achievement.
You mentioned the academy. We've got all the academy and players and parents coming down. Is there a chance that this is what could happen for you in the future?
Of course it is. You know, this is where they want to be. You know, we're taking 2 or 3 under-19s with us pre-season to have a look at them, because they've impressed this season playing for our 19s. So they've got half a chance now. We've got Ian Davis in the first team squad. We've got Jamie Butler in the first team squad in the past as well. So there's a conveyor belt of players. Alex Samuel's gone to Swansea via us. You know, there's a hope for another couple of players to come in now as well. So yeah, the 19s are closer than maybe some of the other academy teams are, but you know, if you're from this area, hopefully your aim is to play at Park Avenue.
And then for Sunday, it's now just getting the job done, pass them out the line.
Yeah, we need to. It's been a long 12 months, you know, leading up to this game, and we've given ourselves a great chance, haven't we? But we're taking nothing for granted. Newtown are an excellent team. Chris Hughes has done a great job at Newtown, to be fair to him, and he's galvanised them, and they've got some really good, strong physical players as well. So we've got to make sure that we're at our best, and hopefully if we are, you know, we will be okay. You said
nothing's won yet on Sunday. So now,
no, it was
get it win.
Yeah, it was strange to score in the last minute. It felt like, you know, that well, we had won the game, but it felt, you know, more than that. But you know, in the grand scheme of things, it was a win in the semi-final of a cup. You know, this is a cup final. There's a cup to win, you know, and I think, you know, there's some very good players in that dressing room, some very good players that have won things in the past. There's some other good players in there that haven't quite won anything, me being one of those people as well, that probably need to win something as well, you know, for our own good. So we're looking to win a cup, and that's what it is. It's a final, it's at Park Avenue, and yes, it's great if we get into Europe, but it's a cup final. So we'll be looking to win the cup final.